soft cook, medium cook, hard cook. Place your eggs in a pot and cover with cold water by 1 inch. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat, then cover. Remove from the heat and set aside 8 to 10 minutes. Drain, cool in ice water and peel. Scrambled egg. Pour in egg mixture and reduce heat to medium-low. Cook until eggs are thickened and no visible liquid egg remains, but the eggs are not dry. Pour in egg mixture. Mixture should not immediately at edges. Gently push cook portion from edges toward the center with the inverted turner to the uncooked eggs. Then reach up the hot pan surface. Continue cooking, turning pan and gently moving cook portions as needed. Sunny side up. Pour in the eggs and continue to cook over low heat for about 2 minutes or until the whites are set. Over hard egg. Fry the eggs for 3 minutes or until the egg whites become completely frosted. Flip the eggs and cook over the side for 2 to 3 minutes. Poached egg. Cook until the whites are nearly fully set and then add the hot water to the skillet. Cover the skillet. Cook the egg in a covered skillet until the whites are